Hello everyone. I am Professor Akhade Kavita, Head English Department, Dada Patil Mahavidyalay, Karjat. Today I am going to discuss on drama. So the topic of my presentation is Introduction to Drama. Origins of drama. Whenever we are talking about the origin, many say drama originated in Greece over 2500 years ago as an outgrowth of the worship of the god Dionysus. During Dionysian festivals, a group of 50 citizens of Athens, known as a chorus, would perform hymns of praise to the god. These were known as dithyrambic poetry. Trivia. Thespis introduced a dialogue, spoken lines representing conversation. Two main types of Greek drama, tragedy and comedy. Aristotle's classification of drama is epic poetry, dithyrambic poetry, comedy, and tragedy. Aristotle's 6 elements of tragedies. First is plot. Plot means arrangement of incidents. Components of plots are first, exposition means the starting, provides the audience with essential information: who, what, when, where, that it needs to know before it can continue. Second is complications, the interjection of some circumstance or event that shakes up the stable situation that has existed before the play's opening. Rising action, the period in which the audience's tension and expectations become tightly intertwined and involved with the characters and the events they experience. Fourth is conflict, usually a problem that the characters cannot avoid. Fifth is climax, the moment of greatest tension, falling action, beginning of the lessening of tension. Denouement, that is resolution also called sometimes. The untying of the knot means the end, in which the tension built up during the play is released somewhat. So it is called as denouement. Characterization in the drama, they are protagonist, that is the primary speaker, and antagonist, the one who speaks against him. Character motivation, why does a character behave in this manner? What does she hope to gain from these actions? Two conventions a playwright might employ in revealing motivation are soliloquy, a speech made by a single character on stage alone, and aside, a brief remark made directly to the audience. Then didactic. Plays written to instruct the audience in ethical, religious, or political areas. They are called as didactic plays. Morality plays. So now we are going to see the themes, that is the central idea or ideas that a play discusses. First is didactic, which we have already known. Morality plays, a sermon or a scene and redemption rendered in dramatic terms. They are called morality plays. Third is problem play, which uses the theatre as a forum for the serious debate of social issues like industrial pollution or women's rights or children's problems or sometimes business problems. So problem play has a problem in it. Drama of ideas, it goes further than simply presenting social problems. It advances a program of reform, means where the ideas are given to the solution. Social drama, Radical social and political programs are openly propagandized, means social dramas are just for propaganda. Diction, fourth thing is diction, that is words. In common language, it is called as words. What we would call a playwright style or the language and vocabulary he she uses, it is called as diction. Melody, the rhythm of the language in a play, that is meter, words, and so on. Spectacles means audience, spectators means what we wanted to show, sometimes called mise en scène or setting of the scene. This is the purely visual dimensions of a play. The costumes, the props, the sets means what characters. For example, if there is an old man, so though the character which is playing the role of old man, he has to take such costume and that type of makeup which shows him as an old man. Or setting means natural sights or natural, you can say, beauty. If someone wanted to show that background, you can say setting. So if I would like to show the film or a play which is based on Kolhapur city, so we have to adjust our natural settings or natural scenes accordingly. Brief history and description of dramatic conventions. Greek tragedy. Trilogy, that is three play one and the same time, that is called as trilogy. So chorus, a group of singers that moments on the play, often from the point of view of public opinion of the actions taking place. So they are chorus. Then prologue. Prologue is an introductory scene that tells the audience important information about the play's setting, characters, and events immediately preceding the opening of the drama. And episodes. Epidos. A passage of dialogue between two or more actors or between actors and chorus. Choral ode. The chorus is alone on stage singing. Exodus, the final scene of the play. Epilogue. After the main characters leave, this is where the chorus comes back on the stage to sum up the play's meaning. Folk drama. In medieval time, in Greek time, such tragedies are shown. So in medieval drama included folk drama, which is plays performed by wandering troops of actors. So they are called as folk drama. Liturgical drama, plays put on by the Roman Catholic Church. It is called as liturgical drama. Mystery plays. These are the kinds of drama or types of drama. Mystery plays derived from the Holy Scripture. Passion plays focused on the crucifixion of Christ. Miracle plays dramatize the lives of the saints. Morality plays dramatize sermons with allegorical character. Raised stage, Elizabethan drama is important whenever we are going to see what is drama. So Elizabethan stage is also very important. Raised stage is equal to relied very little on set but heavily on author's ability to tell the tale. Means background or setting are not so important, but whatever the dialogues are there, whatever the author wanted to tell, that is important. Female parts were played by the young boys. Early, young boys plays female part. They became the heroine. Originality. As we use the term meant little at the time, designed to appeal to a wide audience, not the elite. Means it is for all, not a specific or very few people or very small audience. Commedia dell'arte, the comic genre, a cast of masked stock characters, the miserly old man, the young wife, and ardent seducer. See, these are some pictures. See that? Horror plays from horror. Realistic drama, the modern stage and beyond. Realism is equal to plays that drop some of the dramatic conventions in an attempt to portray real life more accurately. Expressionism is equal to dreamlike atmospheres. Theatre of the absurd is equal to depicts a world without meaning where everything seems ridiculous or nothingness. Thank you.